This have a character.
Yeah. Cool play. Vlogging there.
What's the other photo?
Yeah, come. Ini tadi Green Santa. Kini ki elf na kuno tu. Kini ki elf nga hal kini. Oh, jarang apa tu. Sawan pej mah, aduh, kat light ring ni. Tuh, long ya. Ya.
Thank you.
Ayo min. Ya.
Ayo, baby, bye.
Bye, Green Santa. Ini di tengah Smoky Falls Coffee. Cek hujan.
Yes, ini design sama kan, tapi kan. I like the one marketing. I feel like that's right.
Ini di gimana? Coffee cek hujan.
Coffee from our state. These are the details. These are from Nongrinyang. This is Daman Chapa. And these are the notes of coffee that we're getting from this. And this process is a natural green coffee. And this is Pendeng Solang from Korwat. Yes. This is also sun dried. This is the one. So you can also try. You can just smell. You can smell.
Sure. Ah, nice. Wow. It's very strong.
Yeah. Actually, this is a medium roast.
Yeah, it's not too attached, but that is quite strong, I think.
Like spark.
So these are.
These you can take. These are details of the farmers
Okay,
and
okay.
the ST level and the altitude. So
Okay, how will people find these coffee? In which do we have a shop or something?
we have a
like
shop
that?
in Police Bazaar.
Okay. What's the name of the shop?
The shop is called Smoky Falls Tribe Coffee.
Which one?
Smoky Falls Tribe Coffee.
Smoky.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smoky Falls.
Just take these.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How can we try these? Do you make now?
This, yeah, we're making. We want to just try. You can also try without taking the full cup also.
Okay, sure.
You can try small, just pour a small amount.
Sure.
This is actually brewed. It's a brewed coffee.
Okay.
You can try and then you'll get the aftertaste as well of coffee.
Wow, strong. It's really strong. Like how much do you sell? Like in kilograms?
In kilograms we're selling depending on. Actually, this is from Norwegian, so this is per kg depending on the process that we get from them, which is one is the wet process and one is the wash process.
Okay.
One is sun dried. So the wash process now parchment will get like the beans that we're selling, which is the roasted one. It's around 3,000 per kg.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, and these are different. These are around 1,200 per kg. The packets are here. I'll just show you.
Sure. Oh, yeah. Oh, interesting. You guys find this. So this is the name, particular exact name of the coffee, no?
Here these we're not doing, but only for those on order we do send them and then we explain to them and we keep along with those tags.
Okay, sure. 1,200 per kg, right?
And these are 220 per 100 grams.
220 grams. Okay guys, you can come and get these. Can I take this?
Yes, you can take these. You can take these out. This is much smaller.
Okay.
Same thing. Easier for you.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Sure. So if you want to get these coffee, you should come now at the earliest one kloy na namar ba kini diki coffee na ga jala jongi Phylla ban yo entah kanika winter tales balabatay mentan ini di coffee kiba yo lagi jala jongi Phylla ban ya Police Bazaar OB shopping mall ada Kuat penuat ni. Ada phone ni number. Haskum pickles. Ni. One variety taki ashar bhi. Tomato. Kalo 100 190. Okay. Oh, gitu gitu. Ya bu dukannya lupa. Aying baik. Oh, kibri kita kuat kin lem no pat.
Kita kan buat shwa
Molai.
shwa
Right. Abi ya bahai kan segi we kan. Kalau lo ka kap ya. Wei ni apa ju ira ni? Ha? Sugi ni? Pitung? Wow. Riew so kaya ni wei. Allah kum patau. Oh. Undi di bedang em ni di belah i na. Lagi jom varieties. Oh, okay. Wow. Then dry. Okay. Thang. Ni thiang. Plain baik. Lom so kaya tu kan? Okay, yang pasti ni tak ada. Khasi harud tu. Dan pateng. Oh, dan saya. Oh ya wat ni. Kiong orang biasa sih wei. Shukini dekat ini dah parek. Kini. Selayu ni pak. Sursuk.
Nasihat untuk tadi supaya dapat
Immune system. Kamut pensihat ulang ni.
Set orang dan bami.
Bim sok hiao pur tu na. Nau mi du dieng nau ni.
Long bami sekian.
Nasi tung. Senok po. Ini baru nong po. Ada tenan. Tenan tapi ya lebah kam. Dia permi gidi kecil. Video itu. Kado. Dia mix teh. Avocado.
Oh, avocado.
Tapi kita pilih leh ini jong la jong setelah ke.
Ini belum ada.
Ni sok sauret rumah. Ni dia kum tu apa ini?
Tu lainnya post gitu.
Lainnya bos kilo. Lagi Jhur jak. Cut through. Senteng kit kampung handicraft.
इसमें साइज अलग अलग है
क्या करें?
आशीष
Oh, यही ना. Ya babu London.
तुम बताओ कौन सा
Look so young. I want to make that. I'm going to do that next time. But does it ever happen? Most likely not. So you see the cycle. What technology
What do you
and
call these?
transport has brought us today is a cycle, and
Dolls.
the cycle is passed on to our children.
Folk
So
story.
I
Okay.
have
Folk tales,
one
folk
son and a
stories.
teen who are
You are from Garo Hills, right?
and they're going to do it.
Does this have a character?
Yeah. This
So
is
do
the
please
character
pay
of
attention.
Anisha.
They have an important message.
And this is of a god, no? Goddess of the one, Garuda.
Oh, right.
And this is Ambi.
Okay.
Then that is of Phylla.
Are these on the good side or the evil side?
It's good side, obviously.
Oh,
It's like they are the, how to say, like very famous folklores.
Okay.
Have been passed down, so we have been like, we are getting that one. No?
Okay.
Passed down.
So are these in the written folk tales
Yes,
of
they
Garo
are,
Hills?
yes, they are.
Okay.
Like this is Sankni. That is Sankni. Means a
Sankni.
dragon.
Dragon.
In Garo we call it Sankni.
Sankni. Okay. Wow. And these are all ornaments and all. Okay, nice, interesting. I haven't explored much about the Garo's folklores, folktales. A lot more.
Because people, it's like a treasure which is still need to be hunted.
Oh, okay.
But not many people knows about it since they depend only so much on reading. But then sad thing is that we don't have any written document.
Written, yeah.
Just orally passed down. Just that.
Okay. But is there any written folktales now?
Some, yeah, there are.
There are?
Yeah, there are.
I haven't read, so is it available in the bookstall?
That Northeast Meidot.
Okay, Northeast Meidot.
A lot of Garo folklores are written down
Okay.
there. Northeast Meidot, there are a lot of
Now,
volumes,
so
still
the
500.
Oh.
Most of the Garo folklore.
Now, so
Northeast Meidot,
you
it's
are
mixed.
Okay.
Of all the Northeast are.
Wow.
Then I can suggest that.
Sure.
There are some more Garo literature as well. Then you can even read from TTF also, that Forgotten Folklore Project from
Okay.
that one, from Suramandela. There are also Garo folklore written
Okay.
there.
And
Thank you so much for explaining, man. Thank you.
The same thing.
Yeah.
There's no variety.
Yeah.
You don't eat pasta.
Check.
We eat. Oh, okay. So pasta with what?
Kini di ka
Any type of protein,
Like what?
daw
chicken,
black clay pottery.
fish.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to ask a question for both of you. Do you eat? Yes. Okay. So you have cravings for junk. You should understand.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Why are you hungry?
Because food.
No, it means you didn't eat enough of what? Unfortunately, we just won't talk about it. Nutrition coach, how important it is. When adults come to me for advice, and if they ask me how to,
Cool play. Vlogging there.
Vlogging
Hey, keep it up, bro. Okay. Which one?
Farm life.
Farm life.
Yeah.
Okay,
Farm
lovely.
life net.
Okay, I'll check it out. YouTube, no?
Yeah.
All right.
So yeah, I just want to sum up and thank you all for your time.
Oh, your cash mga. Thank you. Nai news so.
Dila West Jingjia.
West Jingjia. Oh, the shaphang.
You know, arises.
Nice.
You have
Yes, na him gini.
Cash about eating healthy and it brings about
Jhur powder.
how can we develop
Wow.
Thank you.
Phylla seeds. Ito Phylla.
Nili.
Nili mo litik sino. Teng parang na.
Na yung nili.
Di baro na stay mo. Wala ka dong tumring. Oh, kumini po ikan no ido. Aspa. Ibu jam ro na. Pickle. Oh, asya. Gooseberry ama. Kumuni gooseberry po ikan no.
Koroy. Paano